Pilaf or pilau is a rice dish, or in some regions, a wheat dish, whose recipe usually involves cooking in stock or broth, adding spices and other ingredients such as vegetables or meat, and employing some technique for achieving cooked grains that do not adhere. At the time of the Abbasid Caliphate, such methods of cooking rice at first spread through a vast territory from India to Spain and eventually to a wider world. The Spanish paella and the South Asian pilau or pulau and biryani evolved from such dishes. Pilaf and similar dishes are common to Balkan, Caribbean, South Caucasian, Central Asian, East African, Eastern European, Latin American, Middle Eastern, and South Asian cuisines. It is a staple food and a popular dish in Afghanistan, Albania, Armenia, Azerbaijan, Bangladesh, Bulgaria, China, Cyprus, Georgia, Greece, India, Iraq, Iran, Israel, Kazakhstan, Kenya, Kyrgyzstan, Mongolia, Nepal, Pakistan, Romania, Russia, Sri Lanka, Tanzania, Tajikistan, Turkey, Turkmenistan, Uganda, and Uzbekistan. According to the Oxford English Dictionary, 3rd edition, the English word pilaf, which is the later and North American English form, is a borrowing from Turkish, its etymon, or linguistic ancestor, the Turkish pilav, whose etymon is the Persian pilvi. Pilaf is found more commonly in North American dictionaries than pilau. The British and Commonwealth English spelling, pilau, has etymon Persian pulaw, whose line of descent is Hindi pulvi, Sanskrit pulka, which in turn is of Dravidian descent, simmered, boiled, or parboiled food in Tamil, pu7 ukal cooked rice. Although the cultivation of rice had spread much earlier from South Asia to Central and West Asia, it was at the time of the Abbasid Caliphate that methods of cooking rice which approximate modern styles of cooking pilaf at first spread through a vast territory from Spain to Afghanistan and eventually to a wider world. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.